everyone, I'm Prerana Nayak from JSS Science and Technology University, and today my project is a voice control robot using HC05 Bluetooth module. This robot moves according to the commands given to it. It takes commands like forward, backward, left, right, and stop. So for this, I built a speech-to-text conversion app using MIT App Inventor, which converts speech to text. This message from the app is transferred to the Bluetooth present on the robot. The onboard Arduino then processes this message from the Bluetooth module and sends it to the motor driver. This in turn controls the wheels of the voice-controlled robot according to which the robot moves. So now, let me demonstrate its working.
Forward. Backward. Left. Right. Stop.